In the world of finance, some of the most effective methods are the simplest ones. Let's look at what the vanilla strategy actually means. In finance, vanilla refers to the most basic, standard version of a financial instrument without any extra features or complex add-ons. A vanilla strategy strips away complexity, focusing on simplicity and transparency rather than chasing high-risk, high-cost financial products. Investors choose this path because it avoids hidden risks and high management fees that often come with more exotic, complicated investments. While exotic products might promise quick returns, they come with significant complexity. Vanilla assets offer a clearer picture of your portfolio performance. Lower costs act as a tailwind for your returns over the long term, which is a major advantage of keeping things simple. Keeping your strategy straightforward helps you stay the course during market volatility, making it easier to stick to your goals. Thanks for watching. Remember that simple strategies often lead to consistent results. Please consult a professional before making major decisions.